Welcome back, everybody, to day 17. Today we bring you Chris Ray E-Tops card 473 685. Brand new, in a case, protective sleeve from Donut Dory. Today Chris Ray will be facing an electric staple gun. Best thing about these protective sleeves and these hard-ass cases is they protect yours truly, moi, from the trauma. So there you have Chris Ray lost to the staple gun, card number 473 685. Let's staple the back just for good measure. If Marcus was here, we would have tried to staple his hand with that one. Bye-bye, card 473. Bye-bye. You know, we always like to verify things here on the Chris Ray Destruction channel. So, I went ahead and removed the case so you can actually see all of the staples good and well in card 473 of 685. And sometimes you can even see my blood, because, you know, dumbass me, cut myself on that thick ass case. So get yourself some Chris Ray E-Tops from etops.com before they're all gone.